Hello, everybody. Welcome back. One thing I want to discuss or jump on here is Banter Bubbles here. It's a website you can go to, banterbubbles.com, and the creator, Crypto Banter, ran from Crypto Banter, the creator of this channel, this guy right here. Now, he said some things a while ago on Solana, which I have to agree with him. Talking about Solana most likely is going to be the next thing coming in this cycle versus Ethereum. Not that I think Ethereum is gonna go anywhere, but I think that the narrative, and he's right, I think that the narrative this coming cycle is going to be Solana. And you can check out his application here, Banter Bubbles, and you can see a snapshot of the crypto market here represented in these bubbles. And you see what's popular in the market, what people are talking about, as he would say, the narrative. And look at Solana. It's up on the year, almost 900%. Now go back in time historically. Okay, this is a historical chart on CoinMarketCap from 2021, May of 2021. Okay, just near the top of the last bull market before we entered into a savage bear market. But look at Solana. Back then, Solana was number 16. And look at this market cap of $12 billion, almost $13 billion at that time, at the height of the last bull run. Now look at where we are today. Compare that today. 13 billion. Where's Solana today? Solana is above its all-time highs and it's worth $48 billion. That's a massive jump. And we're not even at the height of we've just begun the bull market. I mean, in my opinion, the bull market started last November when we bottomed and we started to go up. But anyways, what I'm seeing is, I believe Solana is going to be that big narrative moving forward in this cycle. I mean, and we still have a long ways to go. You take a look here on the Bitcoin chart as we await for the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. Okay, this line right here from the Pi cycle chart represents the 350-day moving average. Okay, and we haven't even begun to come above that yet. Usually when we come above that, we go parabolic. Look here in the last cycle, December of 2020. Once we come above that 350-day moving average, we start to go parabolic. Let's go back in time again. Okay, look, that 350-day moving average. Once we come above it, we start to go all the way up parabolic. Look at that. Look at that. 2017 bull run. Let's go back in time even further. What do we see? Okay, where are we? Look, even in 2013. Okay, we see that. Once we get up above that 350-day moving average, we start to go parabolic. Okay, so where are we today? Like I said, and I just showed you, we're not even there yet. So this represents a great opportunity to get into those projects that you're interested in. And I do believe Solana is going to be a great project. Now, one project I was invested in the last cycle that's on the Solana ecosystem is Step Finance. Okay, Step Finance, considered the front page of Solana. Let's go here. Step Finance. From what I remember, it basically shows you what's going on the Solana ecosystem. And they have a suite of tools, I believe. Okay, let's go to the analytics, where you could see what's going on with Solana. I haven't really used this, so I definitely gotta do some more research on this. But I do remember this was a definite gem, at least I thought, in the last bull cycle. Okay, and where is it at today? Step finance is 5 cents. Okay, a max supply, a billion tokens. Okay, all-time high was $10. Okay, in April of 2021. So we still have a lot of room to go. All-time low was 0.007. So definitely something you might want to keep your eye on as a potential project. Definitely do your own research. I definitely have to do some more research into this project because I haven't really looked at it since the last cycle, 2021. So definitely, I think Solana is going to be a game changer, and especially if you're in the Solana ecosystem, something like PYTH network. I believe it's an oracle, if I'm not mistaken, an oracle taking real world data and allowing that to be displayed on the blockchain. Oracle. Yes, it's an oracle network. It delivers real-time market data. But because we know that Ethereum is great, it suffers from slower and higher gas fees, whereas Solana is very, very quick. And we see Solana making huge strides, especially since the whole FTX debacle, right? We thought, many people thought Solana was just going to zero, I myself included, but it's proved us wrong. So definitely, I think Solana, like he says here, is definitely a narrative to watch and something to keep your eye on. I mean, we still have a long ways to go before the top of this cycle, but it's not too late. It's not too late to jump in, but time is running out. Look at this here. The black represents the price of Bitcoin here in the Nupal chart. Down here on the bottom, we see we just started to get into green. So green is the belief stage, right? Look at the belief stage. And then the blue represents the euphoric stage. And during that time of euphoria is a time where you want to be offloading your crypto on the way up. Okay, so that's all I have for today. New to cryptocurrency? Let us guide you at techmalak.com. We simplify your entry into the crypto world with our carefully selected list of crypto gems, from low cap wonders to blue chip stalwarts. Cut through the clutter and find the most promising crypto projects quickly and confidently. Join us at techmalak.com and embark on your cryptocurrency journey with clarity and support.